Theorem number 10. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle and the bisector of these equal angles divides the opposite sides in the same ratio, then triangles are similar. There are two triangles ABC and DEF and AL and DM are angle bisector of angle A and D, and these angle bisector divides the opposite side BC and EF in equal ratio, that is BL by LC is equal to EM by MF. It is given, and we have to show that the given triangles are similar. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AL and DM are angle bisector AL and DM are bisector of angle A and angle D respectively. Such that it divides the opposite side BC and EF in same ratio, means BL by LC is equal to EM by MF. EM by MF. It is given. To prove the given triangles are similar, then the triangles are similar means triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. We have to prove this relation. Now prove. Since angle A is bisector of since AL is bisector of angle A, since AL is bisector of angle A, then it divides the opposite side BC in the ratio equal to the sides including the angle, means AL is the bisector of angle A, then BL by LC is equal to AB by AC by theorem 4. Now similarly DM is the bisector of angle D, then DM divides the side EF in the ratio equal to the ratio of side including the angle, means EM by MF is equal to DE by DF. Now since BL by LC is equal to EM by MF. It is given in the theorem. Then value of BL by LC is AB by AC. BL by LC is AB by AC. Let it is first, second. Then put the value of BL by LC from first and EM by ML from second. EM by ML, no, EM by MF. It is EM by MF. EM by MF. We have AB by AC, value of BL by LC is equal to value of EM by MF is DE by DF. It is given. Now in triangle ABC, and triangle DEF, we have angle A is equal to angle D, in the theorem, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle, means angle A is equal to angle D, it is given. One angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle, and the bisector of these equal angles, means these angles are equal. Since angle A is equal to angle D, it is given. Angle A is equal to angle D, it is given. मैं लिखना भूल गया था स्टार्टिंग में. And AB by AC is equal to DE by DF. AB by AC is equal to DE by DF means one angle and the sides including these angles are proportional. One angle is equal and the side including these angles are proportional. Then triangle are similar. Why condition? Third property of similarity of triangles. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF.